All right, what is going on, everyone? It is Friday, final trading day of the week. This week flew by. I don't know about you guys, but it's crazy. It's Friday. It does not feel like a Friday at all. All right, what is going on, everyone? Oops, sorry about that. I had myself on my phone there. So yeah. Today I did mention we are going to do a giveaway today. So we'll do that giveaway, a little bit later into the stream. So I'm thinking we do that giveaway maybe around like 10:20, 10:30, depending on how the market is. If it's really slow, we could do it earlier. If it's a hot day and we have a few plays going, we could just push it back. So yeah, let's get started into this watch list. This morning I have 3 plays on watch. SAVA. Give me 1 second here. Okay, cool. All right, yeah. So we have SAVA, BIG, and PTGX. We have 3 plays on watch this morning. Let's go into the pre-market analysis and let's dive into these plays. So SAVA gonna be our first play here. Give me 1 second, guys. Sorry. All right, my bad, guys. Someone was at my door. I had someone come to my door, so I just had to see who it was and control the dogs. All right, so we're back. Hopefully, no more interruptions here. So let's get into it. SAVA, first play we do have on watch this morning. Uh, looking at SAVA here, first thing we want to do is check the statistics, see what we got going on here. So we have a 15 million in float stock, 18% of the short is float, 35% is held by institutions here. So I don't have a micro float here, not a micro float. We do have a decent amount held by institutions and a pretty nice short float right there at 18%. So looking at it this morning, you can see price action's been pretty beat down. It looks like this thing may have been diluted this morning. You can see each pop being sold into, another one sold into, stuff move right here, and just price action pretty weak and pretty poor this morning. So it looks like shorts are in control here. Could be some bigger hands here selling some shares this morning here on SAVA. One thing to note that this play was easy to borrow on a good amount of brokers. So it could be short crowded. So we could maybe see a morning pop here right out of the gates. Not to say this is going to be a big time runner, but I'm just saying we could see some of these shorts cover up here, and we could see maybe a pop into 250, depending on how the price action looks and how the volume looks. It could even be possible reshort into weak morning pops for some more backside. So I'm gonna map out the 250 line. So this 250 line is gonna be critical. I'm saying if we start the base and firm over 250, we could be getting back and even breaking these pre-market highs. But 250. I'm thinking this could be an area where we could look for a possible short, maybe over under 250, stuff move, come back, failed rejection, and this could be allowing me look for a possible short this morning for some more backside. And I would say, $2 is going to be some support right there, and then also going to map out like this 225 area. You can see we kind of rejected there, so I'm going to say 225, 250. and map out 285. So these are my levels here on SAVA. I'll be watching morning pops, ideally into this 250 area. See how it reacts around that line. Could even see like a little bit of over under, maybe 260, come back down. So we'll see how it looks at the open. We'll see how the volume looks, see how the price action looks. But definitely a little bit more short bias based on this price action and this volume this morning on SAVA. Definitely seems like there's a big seller unloading here this morning. So I want to see if your shorts look to cover into the open. We get a little bit of this emotional squeeze, and we get a stuff move for some more fade here on SAVA. So that's kind of the game plan on that one. We're watching pops there. Next, we're gonna have go over BIG. All right, so BIG probably the best play this morning here on BIG. I did call this out around like 220. I called it out around $22, and it just kept on going up and up and up here on BIG. So this one, this is one of these names that we've been seeing, in the market recently. We've been seeing like this 10 to like sometimes a little higher, like 10 to like 50, $60. Right around this, I would say the floats on usually around like 10 to 50 million. So let's look at the statistics here. So BIG 38 million in float, 22% held by short. 22% of the stock here is short, and then we have 100% held by institutions. So we have a big amount of institutions holding here, and we do have a pretty big short float right there. So BIG, really like the volume I'm seeing on this one. Really like the price action as well. You can see these dips are being bought up. Dips being bought up here. Dips being bought up. So I do like the price action and volume so far on BIG this morning. I want to see if that's going to continue into the open. An area of interest I'm watching is this $22 line. So I want to see possible week open to $22. See if we consolidate, reclaim, and go. Or we could see kind of what we saw yesterday on SAG, this ABCD type pattern out of the gate. So you could see if you could form an ABCD type pattern to possibly get long. We could look for this washout area on BIG around $22. We're going to map out the pre-market high around 23.88 here. And then we do have some daily resistance here. We do have this $25 mark. It's going to act as some resistance. It could be top tier at 25. So 25 is a strong line here. So it's going to be a big level there, 25. If we can break this line, we could see a nice move on up here on BIG this morning. So definitely want to be keeping on watch this morning over on BIG. So this will definitely be want to be watching out of the gates. All right, next we're going to have PTGX. Now PTGX this morning. You can see yesterday we kind of did what I kind of thought we may do. We may just consolidate, go sideways yesterday. Never really got that big break yet the other day, and you can see we traded on much thinner volume. So yesterday, you guys remember I was going over all the examples of the multi-day runner. What have you been seeing? You've been seeing a day one move. Usually day two is a sideways consolidation J on light volume. And then we'll get that day three or sometimes day four will be that move where we get that squeeze on up on pretty light volume. And all these big shorts who shorted this day one move, who are in maybe 50,000, 60,000 shares. Now today we're breaking out on like 1 million in volume. I mean, all those shorts, they're going to be after hitting the ass. There's just no liquidity. It's going to be difficult for them to get out. So when the bids step in, it usually creates this emotional big short squeeze. So yeah, this morning on PTGX, the level I'm going to be watching is $8. I'll be watching this $8 level here on PTGX. You can see $8 resistance, $8 resistance. Yesterday, you can see $8. Little acted as a little bit of resistance on Monday. More so, yesterday's resistance was that $8 line. So hey, if we could break out over 8, retest it maybe 2-3 times, and we're still holding 8. I may look for a long on it. I may look for a long. So I want to see if this $8 line can now act as new support. I think that'll put a lot of fear into shorts, and we could be possibly seeing, over $9. If the right volume comes in and we get, some big time shorts, getting squeezed out, we could definitely be seeing over $9 today. So we'll see. We'll see if we can get over 8. Hold that $8 mark. If we do, could be looking for a possible long on it. That's gonna be the game plan for this morning. Let's be the game plan. Let's be the watch. All right. All right, let's see. YEXT. YEXT gap down. Yeah, we'll see what it looks like at open on YEXT. We'll see what it looks like at open. The reason I like Sage a lot for a dead cat bounce because the volume was just so massive on it yesterday. I mean, if this one just trims on light volume, it probably you could probably seeing more backside or maybe just a quick move on up. So you gotta see how the volume and price action looks at the open here on YEXT. Seems like you guys are pretty quiet this morning. Yes, it is a Friday, so need some traders taking off. Hey, thank you, Jeremiah. I appreciate it. Yeah, 2K subs. Can't thank you guys enough. Yeah, I'm gonna do that giveaway today. Show you guys my appreciation. Do a nice little giveaway. Someone will be walking away today with some cash or some velocity trading merch. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's a little bit of a slower morning so far. It's not really for small caps. I think big has some potential today if volume can continue on into the open. I do like big for possible move today. But yeah, I guess small caps, top gappers 20% SAVA. So yeah, I could see why you guys are a little quiet this morning. Yeah, Jason, for you and Casper, you guys got a little unlucky. The supplier that I was using for my old merchandise, they kind of like I don't know if they cut me off or they stopped shipping the that type of t-shirt design and sweatshirt designs. And I emailed them and they said that yeah, they sent out your order. So I mean, dude, if you don't receive it, Jason, I would say in a week. Same with you, Casper. Just DM me if you don't get it by next week. I'll just have to reorder it through my new supplier. So I apologize, that Jason. I don't know. It was just a lot of confusion with that old supplier. They said they were gonna ship it, but I have no clue what's going on. So if you don't get it by next week, I would say if you don't get it by next Thursday or Friday, just DM me, dude, and I'll just reship it on the new supplier that I have. But whoever wins the giveaway today, I'm gonna make sure I ship it today right after the stream, and you guys will be getting your merch, or you could opt for the cash. It's up to you guys. Don't worry, Jason. You're gonna get it, man. I mean, if you don't get it from this supplier, I'll give it to you from my new supplier that I have. But you definitely will get it. Everyone who want to give away, I'll make sure you guys. I'm gonna own up to it. I'll make sure you guys get your prize. Don't worry. Thank you, Jerry. Appreciate it. Appreciate the thumbs up. Thank you for the support. How do you enter the giveaway? Uh, I'm just gonna ask a question, and the first person to answer it correctly will win the giveaway. I haven't thought if I'm gonna do a stock question or a non-stock related question. we'll run through it, as time gets near. It's gonna be later in the stream, so maybe around 10:30ish, 10:20ish, depending on how the market's looking. All right, so we got 3 minutes to market opens. I'm gonna throw up the new scanners. I'm gonna keep BIG and SAVA in the top two level twos. I'm also gonna be watching PTGX on the other level two. Good morning, Tyson. Good morning. Good morning, Rob. All right, so I'm gonna throw up the new scanners. And Dreambox, if you want to come on Monday, shoot me a DM over the weekend, Dreambox, and we could just discuss over the plan for Monday. Because I would definitely like to have you on the stream with me, Dreambox. Anyone's welcome on the stream. Just DM me if you guys are interested. Don't feel shy. Alright, so I'm going to put BIG. So BIG pulling back a little bit here. Pulling back a little bit here on BIG. We'll see how volume looks into the open. Remember, we could have really nice pre-market action and pre-market volume. And at the open, it could just be a dud. And all that price action, all that good volume just goes away. So we really got to see if it continues into the open. And let's see if the technicals start to set up on BIG heading into the open here. And also watching SAVA for that kind of that pop and fail. Yeah, a few guys are saying IC. We'll see if it hits the scanners, but right now market's about to open, so I do want to focus in on my place here at the open. Solomon, thank you so much for the kind words, man. That means a lot to me. Appreciate that, dude. Alright, we're about to open up in a few seconds here. Make sure you guys are sticking to your game plans, being safe, being smart. Don't give in the FOMO, wait for your lines. And here we go. We are open here. So watching SAVA here for a possible pop and fail. Also watching BIG on dips. Want to see how the volume's going to look. Wow, Legendary, thank you, man. You've been with us since 100 subs. Big shout out to you, bud. Big shout out to you. Alright, so BIG here. Let's see. Just watching this one out of the gates here. Nice little volume so far out of the open. Alright, so SAVA hit that 225 line. Would have liked to have seen like more of 250-ish. But it looks like we hit that 225 line and we failed. So just being patient, waiting for the trades to come to me, not forcing anything. If BIG doesn't set up like I want it to, I won't take the trade. If SAVA doesn't set up like I want it to, I won't take the trade either. Alright, let's see. SAVA starting to push a little bit here. Just watching the tape here, watching the volume. 250 is kind of that area that I am looking at. If we start the base and firm over 250, I think he could have a squeezer here, but we gotta see if that happens. A lot of trouble here at 230. A lot of trouble here at 230. Let's see if we could break. See, the tape here is kind of weak. The tape's not too strong here at the moment here on SAVA. A lot of trouble here around this, this 228, 230 level. Definitely feels like there's a seller right here. So stuffed right there, SAVA. Did see that. Did see that 230 level was tough. I did see that 230 level was tough. Just wanted a little higher. Wanted a little higher. Just didn't get to my line there in SAVA. But definitely saw that 230 level. Give it a lot of trouble. Clearly there was a seller there. Just couldn't get over that 230 level on SAVA. So good job if anyone took that short there, being a little bit more aggressive than myself. Nice, Russell. Shorted 223. All right. Nice, dude. Very nice. Huge volume stuff there on BIG, guys. Careful there on BIG. Huge volume stuff. You guys see that? Not a good sign when you see, retest of the high day stuff on massive volume. Not a good sign there on BIG. So be careful here, guys, on this play. I'm also still keeping an eye on PTGX. I know volume's super light there, only 30k shares, but I'm still keeping an eye on it. Usually that's how this setup usually is on these day 3s or 4 moves that I've been studying recently. The volume just really light on these breakout days, but they squeeze though. They still do squeeze. Yeah, so good job if anyone did take the SAVA short. Good job, Russell. Let's see, BIG being very cautious after seeing that high volume stuff. Trying to see what else is here. PTGX, just kind of keeping an eye on it. Maybe if we could get over 8, start the base over 8 a little bit, we could see a nice squeeze. A few guys saying workhorse. Workhorse kind of retesting yesterday's highs. KLXE late volume play here. Moving on up. So right now, just looking around, guys. Looking around. So far, nothing has set up the way I have liked it to. Big. Not liking so far the price action out of the gate so far. Didn't like that high volume stuff. SAVA. I kind of sold a 230 short thesis, but I wanted my 250 line, so I didn't take that on SAVA. And then PTGX, just waiting to see if we could ever get over 8 and base above 8. That's what I'd be looking for on PTGX there. All right, let's see. Wilson managed to get 5 cents, then 11 cents out of SAVA. All right, nice scalp there, Wilson. Nice job. Appreciate it. I'm new here. Where could I start trading penny stocks? I would recommend, starting off at a paper trading, a simulator account. You could just continue watching these live streams. You learn from. There's also tons of content on YouTube that you could listen and learn from. All right, let's see. KXLE, light volume, BIOC, LMPX. LMPX kind of consolidating here. Upper wicks at the same time. We're seeing some lower wicks too. Was this like a new IPO or something here? 4 million in float, yeah. We'll see if that could break out. Dog alert? Yeah, dog was sipping some water. Dog was just sipping on some water. SAVA here, starting to curl up a little bit here. If you're in, you kind of want to see this thing, stuff here around this 225 area, or we could see, a possible break of the high of day here. So we want to see this 225 area stuff. We want to see view up, hold it down. I would say you could look into TD Ameritrade paper trading platform. It's totally free. KLXE. Yeah, KLXE are skipping on light volume here. Skipping up on light volume. High IO. I'm sure this thing trades, low average volume. This is like a kind of a PTG, a little bit of like a PTGX type thing. Did this thing have a big fade yesterday and now the following day? Yes, looks like it had a big fade yesterday, maybe an offering or something. Now today it's skipping up here. The thing is, PTGX, when it started this similar type move here, this huge red day and then skipping up the following day, it was trading a little bit better volume. Could I go back and look at the PTGX day one? Let me see. Yeah. So this is how PTGX started. Actually, it did start on kind of light volume. So PTGX started on light volume and then it started skipping on up as we broke over the highs here. You kind of see similar type setup: big red day, following day, green day. So yeah, good eye there. Whoever called that out. You could see if you could set up kind of similar towards it. Nice SAVA, nice stuff right there into that 225 line. So now we want to, for anyone short, you want to see 220s now act as resistance. You don't want to see it get back over 220s now. We see 220s hold it down, get a little heavy here, and possibly see some new lows. All right. YEXT, nice. YEXT, very nice here. I think someone did call this out. Someone did call this out on YEXT. Was it pre-market? I feel like someone definitely called this one out on YEXT. Dead cat bounce setup. Nice volume, nice little move here. Just looking around, guys. Just looking around here. Not seeing anything at the moment that I'm too in love with at this time. Alright. Pretty slow right now, guys. Let's put on KLXE here in the bottom level 2. Be a little careful here, guys, on SAVA. A little careful here. If we could, I'm starting to put in a higher low here. Has yet to crack yet. It could be pretty short crowded too. This thing could be pretty short crowded, so you want to get this rug pull here. If not, could see a squeeze here on SAVA. I'd say there's definitely more. It's more short crowded than long crowded. I know some brokers had, a lot of inventory going around. Will be a risky long, but definitely could see this thing squeeze on up here, guys. Could definitely see this thing squeeze on up here, especially if 220's base. So coming up to 225 line right here. So if you're short right here, definitely want to, definitely maybe have your finger on the trigger here. I mean, if you're hammered in here like 220s, definitely want to see this thing, kind of make this rug pull right here. We want to see the 220 rug pull. Let's see. Hey, look at that. Bids refresh. Bids refresh there, guys. Watch out here on SAVA. Bids refresh right there. May even take some long on SAVA, guys, for the squeeze on up. So yeah, there it is, guys. Did get some long too there on SAVA. Did catch some of it on the long side. Did catch some of it on the long side. Look at that massive volume right there on that move on up. But one to be careful to not get overly greedy on it. Not to get overly greedy on it. So now if you guys flipped it long, you want to see now 225 now hold as support. So on these pullbacks, you want to see 225 hold as support. Shorts are definitely bent on this. I could see why a lot of shorts, got short on this. Even I was looking for a possible short on it. So really nice short trap here. Let's see if 225 is base, and we could definitely be seeing, back up close to that 250 line. 250 line is going to be that next area of resistance. All right, coming back up to 240s here. $239 getting chipped here. All right, did take some here. Did take some of my profits here at 237 mark. Did take some profits here. Just in case we do stuff here at this 240 mark. So it did take some there. And the rest, I'll just have a stop at break even on the rest. I have a stop at break even on the rest. We'll see if we can break 240 here. Just make sure you guys are being safe, being careful on a play like this, because this thing could easily have that stuff move, and that would be game over. Could easily be game over. Yeah, guys, I'll go over the trade once I'm out of it. So I have a stop at break even for myself. Let's see, nice little soak right there. Nice little soak right there on that dip. Yeah, the bids are holding strong here, guys. Bids are holding strong. You guys remember back here, this is my kind of my long signal right here when the bids refreshed. It's stuffed, and the bids immediately refresh, showing strength. Right here, we're making a nice little bull flag right here too. Nice little bull flag right here. So make sure you guys aren't being greedy. I'll probably be looking to take the rest of my shares into strength into the highs. Probably looking to take the rest of my profits into strength into the highs. Not going to get greedy on a Friday. Let's see, guys. Let's see if we can get it right here. Let's see if we can get it. Looks like we're gonna get it here, guys. Here we go. New high a day right here. SAVA. And there we go, guys. It's 243s. 243s. And I am all out on SAVA. Gonna take it there. All out at 240. Out of the trade on SAVA. Nice little trade right there, guys. Nice little trade right there for me. Let's see. I made a total of $550 there on SAVA. Not the biggest trade in the world, but hey, I'll take it, guys. I'll take it. Didn't even expect to long this thing, but it set up pretty damn nicely on the long side. And that just shows you guys, you could have an initial bias going in one way and flip it the other way. Like I had a short bias on SAVA, but once I saw the technical starting up like this and I saw how the tape was reacting, I flipped it on the long side. And it was a solid little play right there. If you guys, someone asked, I had a 226 average. Once we broke that 225 area, and I saw the tape react around that area, I longed it right around here at 226. Longed at 226, and took some here at 237, and the rest I took at 241 right there, right when we kind of broke that high a day right there. I didn't want to get greedy on it. I definitely think we could even be seeing higher, guys. I definitely feel like shorts are bent here. But just was playing it safe, not getting overly greedy on this name, and just taking profits when my targets are meant. Wow, Arthur, very nice. 214 out of 240. Congrats, dude. Congrats. Yep, my entry was 226. Yes, Corey, I love that setup too, man. Thank you, Ricky. Appreciate it. BIG, yeah, BIG, new high a day right there. I just saw that there on BIG. So nice there on BIG. Very nice. Didn't like that initial, huge volume rejection, but hey, BIG, nice little slam below VWAP, nice reclaim, and some new highs right there. Remember, 25 is gonna be a tough mark. 25 is gonna be a tough mark. KLXE. What's KLXE doing here? Give me 1 second, guys. Careful on SAV, guys. Careful on that one. You want to see 225? Hold. Yep, and there it is, guys. There it is. I'll be right back, though. And there it is. There's the exit there on SAVA. Kind of pre-market kind of suggested that it was going to be choppy, and there it is. So that's what I was saying. Make sure you guys aren't being greedy on SAVA. Hope everyone, took your profits. And I hope no one got caught up in that slam right there. BIGE here. Let's turn some attention towards BIGE, and we put on KLXE on the bottom. Alright, so let's see. KLXC here, light volume. So let's see. BIG above 24. Oh, nice, Russell. You took the 250 short. Took the 250 short. Took your profit on the short side. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, this could have been a good one to flip both ways. SAVA. Been a nice one to flip both ways. Covered 210. Nice. Very nice. Alright, KLX here coming up to 550. We'll see what this one does. Be careful on it. It's a thin name. Light volume. BIGE. Hanging out at the highs here. PTGX, just nothing there. Just hasn't even gotten over. Haven't gotten over that $8 yet, so no reason to really give that one a look until it gets over 8. Nice, Tyson made $10. In at 212, out at 223 and 237. Yep, YEXT was nice. Was a nice play here. Just didn't catch it. I know you guys called this one out in pre-market. There's only so many names we could watch, guys. There's only so many names we could watch. YEXT was not one I was watching this morning, but was a very nice move. Very nice dead cat bounce. Similar type setup to Sage. Similar type setup to Sage here. Let me show you guys this. And actually, Sage is actually making a move back on up too. So yeah, YXT, nice move. SAVA still trying to hold up here. Did break 225 for a second, but wicked back above. But definitely be careful on that name. Definitely be careful. Yeah, solid move on big. Solid move on big. Don't want to chase up here at the highs here though. Don't want to chase here at the highs. Remember, 25 is going to be another key mark. See, it never broke that 22 line. That 22 line was that kind of that area, that line in the sand I had drawn out. So it always never really backside was never really set in here on big. Anyone take the big trade this morning? Anyone take the big trade this morning? Let me know. I like seeing what you guys are doing. I like seeing what you guys trade. I think I saw someone in Discord chat, get in. Nice, Sean. You took big. Very nice. Wow, Jared. Almost up 500 on big. Sweet. Took it at 23.76. Nice. Sick. You guys are killing it. Very nice. Love seeing it. Love seeing it. Love seeing you guys make money. I mean, we're trading some nice volume here on big. Like how we were able to recover there after that big stuff move. And working our way up here. We'll see if 24s continue to consolidate. If we do pull back, I would say that next line would be like that 2350 area. I would say that 2350 area would be that next line. If you guys like big, you think it's gonna kind of set up like Sage yesterday and be this next big type mover here. I would say watch this 2350 line for a dip. I would say that would be that dip buy area, right around that 2350 area. Yeah, I know, Jono. Yeah, 25 is gonna be tough. 25 is gonna be tough, guys. A lot of resistance here at 25. But if we do break 25, we could be off to the races. But not a bad idea to take around resistance if we get up there from lower entries. ADXX, ABCD. Let me check it out. Yeah, good call. Good call there, gamer. Good eye. Nice little ABCD type setup. Working its way on up here in the daily. Not bad. Alright, so it's 10:04 right now. Right now I'd probably say the best bets are BIG, SAVA, kind of 50-50 right here on SAVA. Just had that 240 rejection, wasn't able to sustain the move. YEXT also a nice move here. A little chasey though getting in here on YEXT. Definitely a little bit chasey here. KLXE here, moving on up. So I'm thinking we do the giveaway maybe in like 15 minutes, guys. Maybe like 10:20. How does that sound? 10:20-ish. We don't have a crazy mover right now. I have a crazy mover right now. I already made my trade for the day. Probably going to protect my profits for the day. And look forward for another setup, another time. GCO, light volume, nice. Moving up. Yep, it's kind of how Fridays are, Corey. A lot of traders take off. Lack of volume, lack of follow through. We kind of saw that on SAVA, just a lack of follow through on that 240 push. We could see if it's could maybe make a secondary push here. BIG still fighting, still holding on up here. Yeah, nice flag setting up here on big. Nice little flag setting up. We'll see if it could get over this 220, this 2450 area. All right, Gary. Enjoy the weekend, man. Thanks for tuning on in. See, I'm seeing some of you guys, starting to hop off a little bit. So maybe, see, I'm thinking 10:20 for the giveaway. So if you guys want to stick around for the giveaway, we could do that in maybe 14 minutes. So 14 minutes we'll do that giveaway. I haven't thought of it. What are you guys thinking? You guys thinking stock question or non-stock related? What are you guys thinking for the question? Oh, and if you guys haven't, guys, shoot me a follow on Twitter if you guys haven't. I'm putting out something called velocity trading tips. So I'm giving some stock tips on Twitter every day. I'm gonna tweet out like a stock tip. So make sure you guys are checking me out on Twitter. I'm gonna be posting that every day. Up to you, non-stock, both. Well, if I do both, I'm gonna have to minimize the price. I'm gonna have to minimize the price a little bit. So I mean, if I do 2 questions, probably not gonna do a hoodie. I'll probably do 2 T-shirts or split it up to two irregular questions. Yep, Dominic, we do have a Facebook page. If you scroll up on the chat, Nightbot does have a link to our Facebook. Oh, is that you, Sterling? Yeah, thanks for the follow there, Sterling. Thanks for the follow. Thank you, Jeremiah. Yeah, appreciate it, guys. Thanks for shooting me a follow there. So every day I'll be posting a tip. There's big, guys. There's big. BIG here, coming up to 2450. Coming up to 2450. Coming up to 2450 here on BIG. SAVA starting to curl back on up too. Let's put SAVA back on the bottom level 2 here. We can check this one out. Michael V, target, yeah. If you go to the Velocity Trading Options channel, Alex would love to answer that question. He's doing great things over there with options and big cap stocks. He's killing it. So if you have any questions for like bigger cap stocks, like bigger names like Amazon, Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, any of those stocks, Alex would love to answer any of your questions on that. So that's on the other channel, Velocity Trading Options. SAVA coming up to 240 here, guys. Let's see if we're going to break here. Let's see if we're going to break here on SAVA. You could see how big the volume bars are here, guys, on a $2 name. I mean, we're doing some good volume here on a $2 name. Definitely meets volume criteria that we need for this name. Let's see, KORV, CORV, someone X. Let's see. CORV down 35%. It's kind of fading right now. It's kind of fading. On this pattern, you want to see the technical setup. See, we aren't getting the technical setup here on CORV. So this kind of suggests for more fade. Maybe we bottom out somewhere, but on a setup like this, you're going to want to see it set up like a YEXT today or a Sage yesterday. You can see the technicals are very nice, holding view up, nice uptrend, setting up perfectly here as far as technicals. Just weren't seeing that on CORV. And there we go, guys. SAVA being a beast here. New high day right there. There's a 248 touch. There's a 248 touch for you guys. Very nice. Very nice move here on SAVA. And this would not surprise me if we see higher on this thing. This would not surprise me if we see 260s, 270 on this thing. It would not shock me at all. I think shorts are very bent here on SAVA. Only question is if, we're going to have big hands start to unload again. You can see the last pop we had unloading, and then the pre-market we had unloading. So let's see here on SAVA. Yeah, Preston, this is volume you guys don't want to fight on the short side. This is volume you do not want to fight on the short side. We're doing massive volume here. Already 14 million shares traded. We're doing huge baseline volume. Not volume you want to fight on the short side. And just look how strong the tape is. Look how strong the tape is here on SAVA. Oh yeah, yeah. Good point that I forgot. Trade ideas doesn't show it, but yeah, we do have a gap to fill. Forgot to mention that before. Do have a gap to fill. You guys can see here. We have no resistance in this area here. So we do have a gap to fill on SAVA. So it's been a pretty solid Friday. Let's see if SAVA could get this parabolic squeeze here. That that I could definitely see possibly coming here. Definitely see this thing start to get this parabolic squeeze here. All right, let's see SAVA. See if you get this like ASLN type candle. You guys remember that ASLN type candle we got? Just shot up like 30-40 cents. So let's see if we get that here. So we'll see. Let's see how BIG is also looking. BIG, pulling back a little bit here. Pulling back a little bit here on BIG. Thank you for the heads up. Stockbot PTGX walking up. Appreciate that. I actually took it off my screen there for a second because it was just so slow. $245's absorbing. 245's absorbing. See if 240s could hold on up here. All right, let's see. BIG. Oh, all right. Let's see. Oh yeah, forgot Meester. SAVA start to heat up a little bit there. So I actually literally forgot about the giveaway in 3 minutes. Yeah. Yeah. What do you guys want to do? What do you guys want to do? Cause I'm probably done for the day. If you guys want me to commentate for a little longer, I can. Or we could do the giveaway and then head out for the weekend. So it's totally up to you guys. I mean, I don't mind commentating for like another maybe like 15 minutes to like 10:30 ish, and then do the giveaway then. Or I could start in a few minutes here. Up to you guys. And I also have to think about a question yet. I haven't thought about the question yet. Yeah, what do you guys want me to do? Like, we haven't decided yet. Do you want me to do just one giveaway and I'll give away a hoodie? Or you could opt for some cash? Or do you want me to do two giveaways for two t-shirts? And then you have two winners, and then you could also opt for cash. So, what do you guys want to do? Oh, you guys are saying one. We'll let some people, vote in. Give it like a good amount of votes here. I want to get like a fair estimate. Yeah, Meester. It depends how much like the total comes out to. So I mean, I gotta do the total and see how much it would end up being for the hoodie. Alright, PTGX also, guys, coming up to 8. Alright, I see a lot of you guys saying, the hoodie, and then opt for cash. Alright, so you guys liking the hoodie. So I'm thinking we do one then. How does that sound? Think we do one? Alright, cool. Alright, we're gonna do one. We're gonna do one. I've seen a lot of you guys vote for one. So we'll do one so someone will get a hoodie. And for the record, it's gonna be whoever I see on my screen first wins, because every time we do the giveaway, I guess some people are delayed and they may see a first winner. So I'm just gonna go off who I see first, whoever answers the correct answer first on my screen. So, all right, let's do it in let's do it in like 5 minutes. Let's do 10:25. We'll do the giveaway. So we'll do 5 more minutes of any last questions, and we'll just see what's going on, and then we'll start in 5 minutes. But I'm trying to think. Should we do a stock question or non-stock related? What do you guys think? We'll take one more vote. So we'll take one more vote. Just type in chat stock related or non-stock related, and then wherever we see have more votes, we'll do that. Non-stock. All right, we have 3 votes on non-stock. That's 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're at like 7-2 right now. 8-3. I'm seeing more non. I'm seeing a lot more non-stocks. Depends on the topic. Alright, geography. Alright, I'm down with that. Geography. Alright, yeah. Alright, let's do non-stock related and we'll do geography. Alright, cool guys. So give me 3 minutes. I'm gonna think of a question, and then we'll start the giveaway. We'll be doing a hoodie giveaway, or if you guys want a cash That's fine. All right, so give me a few minutes here, guys. All right, guys. I may need more time here because I found the question. I liked it, but it seems like there's like some controversy over the correct answer. So I don't want to have there be a battle here in chat if someone thinks I had the right answer. So I may need like another like 2 minutes to find a new question. I'll tell you guys it if you want to know what was the original question. So I was gonna ask, what's the world's tallest mountain? What's the world's tallest mountain? And I was gonna go with Mount Everest, but like seems there's like some controversy over is Mount Everest not the tallest mountain anymore. So I don't want it. I don't want there to be like a battle here in chat. So yeah, I thought it was Mount Everest too, but I'm seeing like there's another mountain that's bigger than Mount Everest. So you know what I mean. So give me like 2 more minutes, guys. I'm sorry for this delay. I'm gonna find another question that hopefully is like a correct answer if like no controversy over it. So, all right, give me 1 second. All right, guys. I thought of the next question. I thought of the next geography question here, guys. So make sure you guys are ready. I'm gonna do it in like 30 seconds here, just so you guys can prepare. I don't know if you guys want to type on Google. Maybe someone knows off the top of their head. Hopefully, you do, and you know, you'll be rewarded with the prize. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna give like 20 seconds here, and then I'm gonna announce the giveaway question here. Yeah, exactly, Dan Bruce. Yeah, I think that was the one I was seeing. The Mauna Kea is the tallest measured from base to summit. Yeah. All right, guys. So we're gonna start the giveaway now. I'm gonna announce the question, and the first one to answer it correctly will win the giveaway. All right, guys. So what is the world's oldest active volcano? What is the world's oldest active volcano? All right, not seeing any answers yet. I guess everyone's looking it up. All right. Yes, some answers going here. All right, we do have a winner here. Do have a winner here. Ray Burke was the first one to answer correctly here. Mount. It's yeah, Mount Etna. Mount Etna of Italy is the world's oldest active volcano. Eruptions dates back down to 1500 BC. So, congrats to you, Ray. Congrats to you, Ray. So Ray, just DM me in Discord, and you could either opt for the cash or the hoodie. Congrats to you, man. Sweet. Ray cheated. And you guys are always sore losers when you don't win the giveaway. You guys are always sore losers here. Hey, it wasn't my idea. You guys are the ones who wanted a geography question. You know, I mean, geography's cool. I don't mind geography, so we just went with it. We went with it. Next time we'll do something else. We'll do like, I don't know, TV shows or movies or something. We actually did do a movie giveaway once. We did do a movie giveaway once before. Never been so jealous over a hoodie. Hey, I mean, if uh, if Ray wants to sell the hoodie, he can. Ooh, Ray wants to go double or nothing here. Double or nothing. Ooh, I don't know. Ray, do you want to? I mean, I'm trying to think here. What could we do? You could have like a tournament style or something. We'll have to have uh maybe another winner versus Ray, and then that person gets the double prize. Is that what you guys want to do? Have like a tournament style where we do like another question, the winner then versus Ray for the big prize. If you're cool with that, I mean, it's up to you, man. It's up to you. Uh, we could do that here. I'm fine with that. It is the 2,000 subscriber giveaway, guys. So I guess we got to go big here. We got to go big here. The 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Uh, can't go small in this giveaway. It's got to be a big giveaway. So if Ray wants to do that, it's up to him, or he wants to play it safe and cash out. All right, so Ray's on. Ray is on. So Ray wants to do it. All right, so we are spacing it up here a little bit, guys, on a Friday here. Yeah. So looks like we're gonna do two more questions here. So we're gonna do one more question. Then that winner will verse Ray for the double prize. So, all right. Yeah. So now I gotta figure out uh what to do for the next question. Geology. I don't know, guys. I don't know about that. You're shaking, to be honest, Preston. Oh man, it's just a giveaway. I guess it is exciting. All right. Um, what do you guys want to do for the next question? What do you guys want to do for the next question? Give me some topics here. I feel like I'm that trivia guy. You know remember that trivia app, like the trivia HQ app? I feel like I'm that guy, like throwing out questions here. All right, so sports. I see two people for sports, one person for movies. Movies. All right, I'm seeing a few for sports here. So, if unless you guys give me something else, I may roll with sports here. Seeing movies again. I'm thinking maybe movie because we did a sports question. We kind of did a sports question before, so I'm kind of liking movies. What do you guys think? Want to do movies? All right, I think I'm gonna go with movies. I'm liking movies right now. I think movies is gonna be the question, guys. So, give me like 2 minutes here, and I think I'm gonna go with movies. All right, so give me a minute here. All right, guys. So I thought of the question here. And I'm gonna need the full title of the movie. I need the full title of the movie. So if you guys give me like the first, like first word of the movie, I'm not gonna accept it. It needs to be the full title of the movie. So that being said, I'm gonna get into the next question, guys. The next trivia question. So, all right, guys. So actually, I'm gonna give you 20 seconds to prepare. I'll give you 20 seconds to get ready. Don't want to hop into it super quickly, so I'll give you guys 20 seconds here to get ready for the question here. All right, guys, here we go. What was the name of the 1974 movie that Al Pacino and Robert De Niro starred in? What was the name of the movie that? What was the name of the 1974 movie that Al Pacino and Robert De Niro starred in? All right, so type your answers, guys. Type your answers. Let's see. Nope, no right answer yet, guys. No right answers yet. All right, so we do have correct answer. I did tell you guys I need the full title. So, I'm sorry playing with gaming. It was The Godfather 2. It wasn't The Godfather 1. So, a lot of you guys answered it correctly, but I think it was Jason. Jason was the first one to get The Godfather Part 2. Yeah, De Niro wasn't in the first one. So yeah, it was the second one, guys. You guys got to know your movie history. So there we go. Yeah, great movie. You got to see it, Kobe. Great movie. Alex, you were first. Let me go back and double check. I just went through it once. I did see Jason was first here. Let me see. So, playing with gaming, Godfather, DJ Godfather, Dan Bruce, but you guys were all saying the first one. Yeah, I'm seeing Jason was seeing Jason said it first, and then I'm seeing Sterling, and then I'm seeing Alex. So yeah, Jason, you are the winner. Oh man, so if Jason wins the next 1v1 battle giveaway, he's gonna have 3 hoodies here. Jason's gonna end up having 3 hoodies here. Man. Wow. So yeah, Jason. So it's gonna be a battle between Jason and Ray. All right, this is getting interesting, guys. This is getting interesting. Stock block. I'm not sure, man. I'm not even thinking about stocks right now, dude. All right. Yeah, me sir. I did see that, man. I mean, I actually saw that after I thought of the question. Then I was thinking about switching it up because I was like, oh, Meetster is probably gonna win here, so I may switch it up. But that's why I went with The Godfather 2. Originally, I was gonna go with the first one, but I gave you guys a little bit of a curveball there. I gave you a little bit of a curveball. I was anticipating some of you guys to say the first one, so I did give a slight hint before I went over it, but I guess none of you guys listened to me. All right, so I think this is fair, Jason. I think you'll accept it. Since Ray's the one who allowed us to do this, Ray, give me a topic. Give me a topic. Can't be too narrow though. Can't be too narrow. Ray, you're gonna give me a topic. I think that's fair because you did allow us to do a double for nothing. No, I said 1974. So Ray, you give us a topic here. No, we're not. Teleportation? No, we're not doing that, right? We're not doing that. I don't think that's not fair. There's got to be something that like that's fair. It's got to be something that's fair. So I'm making it a little bit more challenging here on Jason. Making it a little bit more here, a little bit more challenging here on Jason. I'll give you like 2 minutes here, Jason. I mean Ray, or I'm gonna come up with my own topic here. Okay, Ray, you want to do history? I think that's pretty fair, right, Jason? History? Yeah, Rick. Yeah, Ricky. Yeah, guys. Any new viewers? This is usually not how we run the live streams. Usually, it's all stock related. But it is a Friday. I hit 2,000 subscribers, so we're doing a fun giveaway this morning. So for any new viewers, like I'm never watching this again. This is not how usually we run it here. It's just a 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So Monday we'll be back to stocks. All right, so Jason's down with that. All right, so let's do it. History is the next question. So give me a few minutes here and let me think of a question here. All right, guys. I'm back. I thought of the question. So Ray and Jason. It's gonna be a battle between you guys. The winner, just DM me after the stream and I'll get you hooked up. So, man, Jason's gonna have three. Man, Jason will have Jason's gonna have 3 hoodies if he wants. That's pretty crazy. And if Ray wins, he'll get 2 hoodies. And if you guys want, you could just opt for the cash if you want. So I mean, Jason, if you win, man, if you want, you could opt for $100 if you want. Or Ray, you too, man. Whatever the total will come out. I think it'll be like, I think the hoodies, I think I just checked, it's like 35. So, you guys want the cash, that's cool. But alright, guys, don't want to keep you waiting any longer. Suspense is probably building up, so here we go, guys. Here's going to be the final question for this giveaway. Alright, guys. What was the last battle of the Neapolitan War? What was the last battle of the Neapolitan War? So we're talking about Napoleon here. Napoleon. Alright, here we go. Ray, Waterloo. There we go. Ray, you are the winner, man. Waterloo. Correct. The Battle of Waterloo. What was that? 1815. Took place in Belgium on June 18th, 1815. Marked the final defeat of Napoleon, who conquered much of Europe early in the 19th century. So we're going way back there. Pretty impressive, Ray. If you knew off the top of your head, that's pretty impressive. So congrats to you, Ray. Sorry, Jason, but you still got a prize, Jason. You still got your hoodie coming. So yeah, either Ray's got like crazy fast typing fingers, like looking up on Google, or he just knew off the top of his head. Yeah, you know your stuff. Yeah, Ray. That's crazy, man. You know your stuff. Yeah. Ray's a bot. Yeah, fair game, guys. Ray, you are the winner, regardless of whether you knew it or not. You are. It's fair game. You're the one who answered it correctly first. So congrats to you, man. So just DM me after the stream, and you'll get your double for nothing prize. Man, Ray's he's a beast. He was willing to double or nothing, and he backed it up and he won. He's not all talk, Ray. He's the real deal. He's the real deal. Oh yeah, Ray. So Ray, if you want, if you want 2 hoodies, I'll give you 2 hoodies, or I could give you. Let me see how much. See, I'm gonna have to do the math, but either Ray, I could give you 2 hoodies, or I could give you, it's going to be between like $60 or $70. Be like $60 or $70 cash. So, dude, we could just discuss it. I hope you're in Discord. Make sure you're in Discord. So, yeah. Thank you, Jeremiah. Shut up, Siri. Yeah, so, thank you, Jeremiah. But I'm probably going to wrap it up, guys, in the next minute here. Hope you guys all had a good time today on the stream. If you did, drop a thumbs up. Would appreciate it. I know I had a blast today. Thanks, Sean. Yeah. Yeah, I had a good time. I love doing these giveaways, guys. They're so much fun. All right, catch you later, Brody. We'll definitely be doing more in the future, guys. So definitely be doing more in the future. I don't know about double for nothings, though. I mean, that may have been a one-time thing because of the 2K subs, but maybe in the future. Yeah, Preston, you'll win. Bet you'll win one day. Alright, guys, I'm going to end it here. It's getting pretty late. It's almost 11. I'm going to head out and enjoy my weekend. So, thank you, Ray. Appreciate it. So yeah, Ray, just either DM me early next weekend, or if you want to do it now, it's cool. Jason, you'll be still getting your hoodie. Don't worry, man. So you didn't walk away on the day. Total L. You're still going to get your hoodie for your last win on the stream. So yeah, just DM me, dude, if you don't get it by next Thursday. So that being said, I'm gonna wrap it up. Hope everyone enjoyed today's live stream. Make sure you guys dropping a thumbs up, and thank you guys all for 2,000 subscribers. Let's try to go hit 5K next. So everyone enjoy your weekend. That's gonna be it for me. Closing out here. Peace.